I just wanted to make a really quick video on this because this has happened a couple of times, and I know people, probably not a lot of people have this radio anymore, but this is for the Kenwood 599 twins. And what happens is with these cables here, the really thin, frail wire coax in this cable snaps off. So these have two coaxes inside of them. I made a couple of other wires. There's some jumpers, but if you look, I mean, it's terrible. So what happens is the cable gets flexed upon and it breaks. So what we're going to do here, if you look here, you'll see where it was. I shoved it up in here a little closer. I do run the risk of maybe possibly breaking this one next, because now it's actually too long and this one's too short. So we're going to come in here and we're going to solder that one down. So that's basically, if you don't have transceive, it's probably this. Okay, I bought it like this and it broke again. So it's all I did was move it and it broke. Moved it from one location to another. So let's solder this thing up. All right, good enough for me.